I'd like to give you an update on our Node 4 Services Gateway, and in particular, what the world of the multi-cloud is going to mean to it. So just as a bit of a recap, our Services Gateway here in the middle is where we connect using our legacy network infrastructure like MPLS, SD-WAN or direct internet connections with VPNs, your buildings and your people wherever they are. And then we connect them to a whole suite of services. In particular, things like infrastructure as a service, with supporting services like backup as a service, DR as a service, and security from our Security Operations Center. We have collaboration tools as well. But all of that is contained in a great video on our website. Today, what I want to talk about is how we start to adopt some of the New World services and how they fit into this. Well, within our core network, we have cross-connected into some of the main hyperscale public cloud providers. So we can get to the likes of Google, Amazon, and Azure. This isn't very exciting right now, but what we're talking about is building applications in these new worlds and being able to consume some of the services down here. So for instance, we can link things like this so that your data isn't all in one place, and you can run components of your application in these places in conjunction with applications that you may have built within the infrastructure as a service farm on N4 Cloud. What becomes even more interesting is when we consider things like Office 365 and from the same suite of products, Microsoft's EMS, Enterprise Mobility and Security. We can connect to these tools, and again, we can do things like provide backup for your Office 365 solution. We can do things like integrate your EMS, your data loss prevention, with our security services like managed firewalls. But in the future, when you're building your applications, some of the things you might want to do is access technology from the likes of IBM, who are building cognitive services like their Watson technology. And that does things like take audio from this video, for instance, and transcribe it into text that can be indexed and easily searchable. So these kinds of things all come together under the term multi-cloud. And here at Node 4, we see it as just an extension of our services gateway for you to consume for the right fit and the right commercial advantage. I hope you found today interesting, and from everyone here at Node 4, thank you very much for listening.